Hi guys, today you're joining me next to the River Dart, hoping for some rain. Little spoiler, we did get some rain and we got quite a lot of rain. We put this tarp to the absolute perfect test today and it performed brilliantly. This is a 285 centimetre times 240 centimetre. It weighs just a smidge over half a kilogram and it's greeny brown. It's perfect, blends in with the countryside absolutely wonderfully. I've got it in a fairly basic configuration here, but with 25 reinforced anchor points, you can put this pretty much however you want to. It's nice and tall, I love it. You would have seen on the time lapse, Shelby's jumping over it constantly. I'm not worried about that. It looks like it's fairly robust. Plenty of room in here. If it was windy, I'd probably peg it down 2 more times. And I'll just show you 1, 2, 3, and the tensioner at the back. That's on a tension slip knot as well. So we've got 2 going up here and 1 down to the peg. But look at our little spot for today. Having a little base where you can go and get dry out of the rain. It's not raining, I want it to rain today. Ooh. But yeah, the OEX bush tarp pro. Oh. A great little device. I can't get over how good this is. It's bloody brilliant. Look at us. Chilling about. You can see how wet it is. And yeah, you're shaking it off, aren't you? And we are just chilling like lazy lizards in here. So we stayed under the tarp in that storm for about 40 minutes, and do you know what was really lovely? It was, normally we'd be packing up, chucking everything in rucksacks, but we just had a coffee, had a chat, completely chilled out. It just added an extra element that we've really been missing from our little river trips. So let's just sum it up. The OEX Bush Pro Tarp, fantastic. It gets 100% from me. It added an absolutely vital element to our day, giving us somewhere out of the wind, out of the rain. We loved it, the dog loved it. 25 anchor points. I'll be testing out lots and lots of different configurations of how to put this together. It wasn't mega windy today, but they look good, they look strong, they feel strong. Time will tell.